As we saw on election night, the opposition had a significant lead based on all credible exit polls. And yet we saw that the CEC published results that are vastly different from anything that was predicted in the pre-election polls or in the exit polls that were conducted by international credible organizations. Since then, the opposition as well as local observer organizations and investigative journalists have uncovered massive operations with which the government falsified these elections, including through systemic and massive violation of the secrecy of the vote that precludes individuals from casting a vote based on their free will, which is a constitutionally guaranteed right. And one one first instance judge in the region of Tetritzkaro yesterday, based on a claim that had been filed by the Georgian Young Lawyers Association, confirmed that indeed the secrecy of the vote had been violated, and therefore these were elections where there was total control of the free will of voters. Now we are at the Appellate court, which has to either overturn the decision, which is what the political demand of the regime is going to be, or to keep the decision of the first instance court, which would mean automatically that everywhere where voters were casting their vote electronically, the secrecy of the vote was violated, and therefore their choice was controlled. And this is the constitutional basis for annulling election results and for calling new elections. This is what we're requiring. We're also asking for international investigation because in addition to the systemic violation of the secrecy of the vote, there were myriad other systemic violations and falsification mechanisms. But of course, an in-depth and comprehensive investigation is necessary in order to uncover the scale of these falsification mechanisms.